Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another beauty unboxing and review. Today we have received 5 special products from Yesstyle as part of their Postbiotics Skincare set review. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that is the only way to be notified of all upcoming beauty unboxings. If you haven't heard of Yesstyle before, they are an online store that sell Asian and Asian-inspired fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products. Now, they are generally quite affordable and also have a wide range of brands available. If you are thinking about shopping at Yesstyle, I also have a discount code, Mandy777, and it will get you an extra 5% off your purchase. I will also link below all of the products that I will be mentioning in today's video. Okay, so you're probably thinking, what in the world is a postbiotic skincare set? I know, me too. Let me tell you, postbiotics are mainly found in things like supplements, but recently skincare brands have started incorporating them into their skincare products. What does that mean? That means there's now a magic pill to help us combat aging and also to repair our skin. So let's talk about the 5 products that I'll be trying and reviewing. Now, the first one is the Mandy Serafina Biome Complex Ampoule. Now, this is 30 mils and it's retailing for 39 Australian dollars. So this one is dermatologically tested. It replenishes hydration, balances your skin, and is formulated with Serafina Biome and 5 types of probiotics that help create a skin barrier to protect your skin. I like that this one is a deep moisturizing ampoule because it has 10 types of hyaluronic acid, which is always a yes from me. This sounds super promising. So you're meant to massage this into your skin after cleansing and toning. And if you're one of those people with sensitive skin, this actually strengthens your skin so you become less sensitive. On to the second product, and we have the Mary and May tranexamic acid plus glutathione eye cream. Now this is 30 grams and it's also another Korean brand. It retails for 21 Australian dollars, and I love that this one is actually cruelty free and a clean beauty brand. I've been getting really little sleep lately, so I have actually noticed that I've been getting dark circles. So this one treats dark circles as well as freckles. So I'm very interested to see how this one works. So it also contains antioxidant glutathione and skin brightening tranexamic acid, which both re-energize tired eyes. And it also has vitamin C, which help with collagen production and the appearance of freckles. Super excited to try this one. Next up, we have the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun. This is 50 mils and is a beautiful sunscreen that is SPF 50. It's retailing for 31 Australian dollars. And of course, this is another Korean brand. I love that this is lightweight and very quick to absorb without leaving a white cast. There's nothing worse than having a white cast from your sunscreen. Now, this one actually contains rice extract and grain-derived probiotics to keep your skin hydrated. And of course, it is suitable for sensitive skin. This is to be used as the last step of your skincare routine. The fourth item is the Belite Press Serum Gold Apricot. Now this is 50 mils and it's retailing for 51 Australian dollars. It is of course another skincare brand that is from Korea. Now this is a multifunctioning serum that is infused with apricot extract and niacinamide. It will brighten and even out your skin tone. You use this after cleansing and toning, and I love that this is fragrance, paraben, and alcohol free. So this one is water-based, and the apricot extract actually helps with freckles, blemishes, and irritated skin. Another serum that tackles freckles, that's a yes from me. Now this one is to be used day and night. The last product is the Oompa Lactosica Soothing Toner. Now this is 200 mils and it has 5 probiotics and 5 hyaluronic acids in it. It's suitable for all skin types and helps with oil balance whilst also hydrating. This one retails for 39 Australian dollars and it also alleviates sensitive skin and repairs damaged skin. You use this one straight after cleansing and it's actually fast absorbing and non-sticky. It also contains lactic acid, which is my favorite ingredient. Let's check out and try all of these out. So this is what my face looks like to begin with. It's not the best, but still kind of clear, not really much acne. It's feeling kind of dull, you know. Right after cleansing, we're going straight in with the Lactosica Soothing Toner. I use one of those circle pads just to soak it in, and it's easier to wipe. I really love the first impression I had from this. It was just super cooling and soothing. Left my skin super hydrated before I put on the Mary and May eye cream. This did feel super lush and hydrating on the eyes. I couldn't tell the full effects as I was really just experiencing it for the first day, but definitely very hydrating. Next up is the Mandy Serafina Biome Complex Ampoule. This one is very light, super fast absorbing. I really hate it when products feel super sticky, and this one was not sticky at all. Next up, we have probably my favorite product. It's the Blythe Press Serum Golden Apricot. The smell of it alone has won my heart. But you guys see how freaking shiny and hydrated my skin is? Yup, this is the one, you guys. Last but not least, you got the Beauty of Joseon Sunscreen SPF 50. And my god, you guys, you can tell from my face right here that I knew I put on way too much. So I've tried the Yesstyle products for about a week now, and so I've got some free time now, so let's just go through the routine together. Now I start off with the Lacto Seeker Soothing Toner, this one here. Now I use one of these sort of tiny pads. It's really easy. I just put it straight on here, fill it up, and then go ahead and start wiping the toner all over the face. It's very cooling. I love the feeling of this one. It does feel very soothing as well, just like what it says there. It's very fast absorbing. I definitely feel like it is a very hydrating toner. I usually find a lot of toners very drying, so this is quite a nice change. This is also a great way to take off any excess makeup that didn't get picked up by your cleanser. After that one dries off, I like to use the Mary and May eye cream, this one here. Now I like to just put it straight onto my eyes. It's just a lot easier. What I do is I just dab it in on both eyes, on the under eye area. Any excess I like to use on the top of the lids as well. So while that one is drying, I will go in with the Neo Bifida Biome Ampule, and this one just goes all over the face. It's just easier to apply that directly, so I just drop it in on both sides, a little bit here, a little bit there. I go ahead and rub that in. This one absorbs pretty fast, and I really like that. So you can just kind of keep moving to the next step. It definitely feels like my face is so much more nourished after using just those 3 steps even. So while this one is almost drying, I will go in with a different serum. This is the Press Serum Golden Apricot from Blythe. This one is probably my favorite serum out of all the products that we got from Yesstyle. It comes with a little spoon, and the product itself is very yellow. And I just take in about that much. That's more than enough. And I really like the smell on this one. It's a very fresh and citrusy sort of smelling serum. Really love it. It also feels very, very hydrating. My skin feels so smooth with this. So this one is actually my favorite because I do feel the difference when I wear this one. It definitely feels like my whole face has been soaked in hydration, and it leaves that really dewy after feel. I really like it, and of course it smells amazing. So this one takes a little bit longer to dry, but once that dries, we finally apply the last product, which is the sunscreen moisturizer. Now that that's nice and dry, my skin is feeling very plump, very moisturized. We are going to go in with the last step, which is the Beauty of Joseon, and it's the SPF 50 moisturizing cream and sunscreen. I don't want to put too much just in case it, becomes like very white. So that's all I'm going to use on my hands there, and we're just going to go slowly around the face. So last time I put way too much and it was very hard to blend, but you see this time it's kind of like a lot better. It's just becoming transparent almost, and it does feel very hydrating, and I like that it's super lightweight too. So after using these Yesstyle products for 2 weeks, I did definitely find it made a difference. Now, starting with the Lacto Seeker Soothing Toner, this one was super hydrating. I definitely loved starting with this product on my face right after cleansing. It was definitely really hydrating for me. Now, next up we have the Mary and May eye cream. I did find it helped with my under eye area with hydration. I don't know if I used it long enough to help with like under eye dark circles, but it's promising. This 2 serums here The ampoule was nice, but my favorite one was the Blythe Press Serum Gold Apricot. This one smells amazing, and as soon as I put it on, I could just feel the difference in my skin. Now, last but not least, we do have the sunscreen here. I did like it. It is very light and did not leave a white cast as long as you don't put too much of it. So all in all, I really did enjoy these products. So what did you think of these Yesstyle products for the Postbiotics Skincare range? Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried any of these before? If so, I would like to know what you thought about it. So of course, I only used this for 2 weeks, and of course you are meant to see better results as you use it for longer. So I can only say what happened to me in the last 2 weeks of using this or incorporating this into my skincare routine. And the main difference that I found is that when I apply makeup, I can totally tell the difference with how smooth the makeup goes on my face. So I can tell that these definitely hydrated my skin. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and review of the Yesstyle Postbiotics Skincare range as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!